So if you ever wonder what marketing is, how it works, and how it can apply to your small business to attract more clients and customers, then this episode is for you. We are going to talk about the introduction to marketing, Marketing 101 for small businesses. I'm going to share with you what marketing is, why it is important, and how you can leverage on marketing to build and grow your small business today. So stay tuned. Hello, if we're meeting for the very first time, this is Millie Leung from Shine to Impact TV. I share an awesome episode every single week to help you build a business and a life that you truly love. And if you're wanting to know strategy, tips, and tricks on branding and marketing, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell too. Okay, now let's talk about marketing. I fell in love with marketing years ago when I got started on my first business in year 2011. Now, at the time, I was new in business, and since my background was in engineering, I had absolutely no idea what marketing was. But when I started building my business, I got fascinated in figuring out why people act the way they do, why people buy, and what influences their purchasing decisions. You see, at the end of the day, it is all human psychology. And whether you realize it or not, we are surrounded by marketing messages every single day. Whether it's the commercials on TV, the billboards on the roadsides, advertising banners on buses, copies on websites, or certain messages on our social media. Marketing affects many aspects of our lives, such as what restaurants we visit, what movies we see, what clothes we wear, what hotels and places we visit on our next family vacation, the gifts we purchase for our kid's birthday, or even what house we purchase. Okay, let's talk about what marketing is and what marketing is not. Now, to start, marketing is not advertising, but advertising is one type of marketing. Essentially, marketing is a major business function that helps to promote a company or brand's products and services. It includes activities such as social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, referral marketing, event speaking, public relations, pricing psychology, copywriting, packaging your offers, and of course, advertising too, just to name a few. That is why if you're just getting started in marketing, it can feel pretty overwhelming and daunting because it has so many moving parts. Okay, I'm curious, what kind of marketing are you currently using for your small business? If you're using social media marketing, which platforms are you currently using? Leave a comment below this video and let me know. Okay, so although marketing may seem overwhelming and daunting, at the core, this is what you need to understand. Marketing is communicating your value to your customers and clients. You see, your customers and clients don't really care about you or your business. Ouch. Yep, your customers and clients only care about what you can do for them, how you can solve their problems, and how you make them feel. So your job as a small business owner is to intimately understand your ideal clients and customers. Show them how your products and services can help them solve their problems, their pain points, and their frustrations. Remember, your customers don't buy because they understand what you sell. Instead, they buy because they felt understood. For most people, before they make a purchasing decision, they go through a certain buyer's journey. And each stage of the buyer's journey has certain emotions involved. And marketing is how you convey your message to your potential customers and clients, connect with their emotions so that they feel understood and that they understand the value you bring to the table. When done right, marketing is a very powerful force. Now, if you'd like to understand more on the buyer's journey, the psychology of each stage of the journey, and the one deadly mistake you need to avoid, check out this previous episode. I'll put the link below this video too. Okay, now I also want to point out that it is often not the best products or services that win clients and customers, but rather it is the products or services that are best marketed that win clients and customers. Let that sink in for a minute. So let me ask you this question. Have you heard of the term best-selling author? Yes, probably, right? How about the term best writing author? Not so much, right? Yep, so even when it comes to books, we are recognizing the authors who knows how to best market and therefore sell their books, rather than the best writing authors who may be the best authors in the world but sold 0 copies of the books. Congratulations! You are the best writing author and the best kept secret in the world! That means if you are a great lawyer, but you have no idea how to do marketing, then unfortunately your business may not have any clients and your business will suffer. Similarly, you may be the best financial advisor, the best real estate agent, the best accountant, the best photographer, the best tutor, or the best of anything for that matter. But if you don't know how to get in front of your potential clients and customers and convey your value to them, your business will suffer. Yep, I think you get my point. So marketing is really the lifeblood of any small businesses. Frankly, for any businesses. It is just how it works, which is why it is so important for us to understand the fundamental of marketing so that we can create and convey our value to our ideal clients and customers. Okay, now let's talk about good marketing and bad marketing. Now, I'm sure we've all came across bad marketing before. The type of marketing that gives a bad reputation to marketing. Those that are hypey, spammy, sleazy, and give an achy kind of feeling. Those that exaggerate, like a magic pill that can help you to lose 20 pounds in a day, or going out of business sales that never ends, or maybe increase the pricing by 200% just to give 30% off later. Those are bad marketing. And bad marketing can often do more harm to the business than good. Now, on the other hand, great marketing connects people, helps people to see value, helps clients and customers solve their problems, achieve the goals, and help them to feel better about themselves too. So, if you ask me, great marketing has the power to change the world.
Today, Apple is going to reinvent the phone.
When it comes to marketing, there is organic marketing and paid marketing. Organic marketing is essentially anything you don't spend money to promote. We are lucky because in this day and age, there are so many ways we can do organic marketing. This could be you posting on Facebook, doing a Facebook Live, sharing an Instagram story, sharing a TikTok video or a YouTube video or anything like that, which you are not paying money to promote. Now, it doesn't mean it is completely free because you're putting in your time and your effort to create the content, or maybe you're hiring a video editor to help you edit those videos, but you're not paying to promote it. In this case, it is still classified as organic marketing. On the other hand, paid marketing is exactly the opposite. It is referring to advertising. You're paying money to the networks to promote and distribute your content so that you can expand your reach and have your content to be shown to very targeted individuals that you select. Some of the most common types of paid marketing includes Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, Google ads, etc. With organic marketing, the free type, you can create content that speaks to your ideal clients, solve their problems, and provide value to them. This is also known as content marketing. Now, with content marketing, over time, you can create trust and authority. However, organic marketing or content marketing takes time, and often your reach is more limited compared to advertising. But over the long run, as your content accumulates, especially if you've done your setting right, it will start to run like an engine and continue to bring in leads and attract your ideal clients and customers even in your sleep. Now, on the other hand, paid marketing such as advertising, although it is faster and you can reach a bigger audience, the moment you stop spending money, your leads stop coming in. So that means you must have a way to capture those leads and or to convert your leads into paying customers and clients right away. And you need to make sure that whatever advertising dollar that you spend, you can bring in more revenue than that. For small businesses, it is always wise to have organic marketing or content marketing strategies in place. And if you have a budget, it helps to incorporate paid marketing or advertising strategies too. So in that case, it will be a mixture of organic marketing and paid marketing. Now, as a small business owner, especially if you're just starting out or if you have a tight budget, my suggestion is always to start with organic marketing, creating content that connects with your ideal clients and customers. Why? Because it is free. Yes, it's always good to start with free. Also, it gives you practice and you can experiment with what works and what doesn't. Find out 1 or 2 social media platforms that your ideal clients are already hanging out, and then you create content on those platforms. Now, I go deeper into social media marketing for beginners in this episode, so feel free to check it out. I'll put the link below this video too. Now, if you'd like to have more resources to market your small business, make sure that you grab a copy of my free gift, 50 Ways to Market Your Business with Little or No Money Checklist. I'll put the link below this video as well. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I share an awesome episode every single week to help you build a business and a life that you truly love. Also, please like this video and share this with your friends too. I really appreciate. You have a special gift in you. Believe in yourself and shine and impact the world in a bigger way. Remember, dream big, start small, and act now. With that said, I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Bye for now. Subscribe and hit the bell.